Today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Corelle living wear. So we got this from Walmart, I think for like $22.99 or something. So let's get started. So this is the winter frost in white, 16 pieces. It's 4 dinner plates, 4 breaded and butter plates, 4 soup bowls, and 4 mugs. Yep. Alright. Oh wow! Look at that. Oh, it's just white color. Okay, 4 of these, 4 mugs. I hope we can customize these mugs. Thank you for your purchase. I've got the bowls, dinner plates. Sorry, not bowls. Okay, gotta read these. And the smaller ones. Yep. So that's all for today's unboxing.